Hey guys, Malin here with Speed Industry. We're going to install this K&N drop-in air filter in the 2020 Supra. Patrick's going to do the install, go over all the bullet points for you. I want to show you the product and compare it to the OEM one. So inside the box, we have the pre-oiled K&N air filter, the standard purplish color that you've always seen. You can see some of the oil and fluids there. You get some marketing material. Inside the box, you're going to get the congratulations. It's going to explain the 10-year, million-mile lifetime limited warranty. What's not covered, what's covered, incorrect cleaning, all that information is right here. We're going to get some stickers. One of these is for the side of your car, which is just cool. The other one is you're going to get this stop. This is a reusable air filter, so any dealerships or if you sell the car, secondhand owners, you'll see this sticker on the car, usually on the intake box itself, and that'll explain to people not to just pick it up and throw it away, that it is cleanable. So here's the two air filters. This is your OEM air filter. This is the K&N. This is pre-oiled. This is a dry style filter. Our car is pretty new, so it's not really dirty. But if you pull one of these out after a lot of driving, you're going to see the wear and tear and the dirt inside these things here. And this one, you really can't clean these. This one's going to flow more air, and it's going to improve your gas mileage on certain vehicles. So this is the one to go with. This is going to be our first modification to the 2020 Supra. All right, guys, let's get to the install.
It's very straightforward. You have 4 clips. There is a hose clamp here and a sensor. You do not have to remove these because everything is very flexible. Just be very careful when you're pulling it apart. So you're gonna start with the top one, pull that one off, bottom one here, pull that one off, and then you're gonna go ahead and grab it by here, lift it up. You're gonna pull out this, looks like a male filter. BMW. Put that there. Grab our freshly oiled K&N filter, line it up, make sure it seats on the little ridges all the way around, and make sure that the top goes back in place, and go the reverse way. Put that on, and then always make sure to clean off your greasy handprints. Then last thing you want to do is put your stop sticker on your airbox somewhere or nearby. I think we'll put ours right here, and you're ready to go.